Hi boys and girls, this week we've been talking about subtraction, and today we're going to look at some word problems that have to do with subtraction. So, there are 5 owls sitting in a tree. 3 fly away. How many owls are left in the tree? So you can see that I have pictures of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 owls, and then we have 3 that are supposed to fly away. So we're going to make 3 fly away. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to write an equation for that problem. So we started with 5, and we would say 5, we took away, so minus, we took away 3, and we found that that equaled 2. Okay, so we had 5 owls, we took away 3, and that equals 2. So now I want you to try with me. So I will read the word problem, and you will take time to solve it on a piece of paper or in your journal. And then once you have solved the problem and written an equation for it, just like we did on the last slide, you'll watch the rest of the video to check your answer. Okay, so Tom had 9 coins. He gave his brother 4 coins. How many coins does Tom have now? Okay, so this is when you're going to pause the video. So if you click to pause and stop the video, and you're going to try and solve this problem on your own, and then you can start the video again so that you can see the correct equation and make sure that you did your work correctly. Okay, so the problem again is Tom had 9 coins. He gave his brother 4 coins. How many coins does Tom have now? So go ahead and pause. Okay, this is the equation that you guys should have gotten. 9 minus or take away 4 equals 5. All right, we will see you tomorrow.